Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. This is going to be the last device where I will show you how to run BOINC with Rosetta at home to analyze COVID-19. This is the Samsung Chromebook Plus first generation. It has the same SoC as the Pinebook Pro, the Rockchip RK3399. And most Chromebooks nowadays, they have access to the Google Play Store to run Android apps. So I searched for BOINC, the one from the Space Sciences Laboratory UC Berkeley. I'm going to install it. Well, that's okay. We're going to open it. Well, that is sometimes the problem with installing apps from the Google Play Store on a Chromebook, that it still opens a window that will look like as if it's only developed for a phone. So we're gonna try to, well, that looks at least a little bit better. So I'm going to choose Rosetta at home. And let's see. I'm going to fill that in off screen. Okay. Let's see. So I filled in the credentials correctly. And here you see that I think it's only 2 megabytes or something short. But I think we can change that with the preferences. And then the advanced. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go for 2. Max use storage space, minimum storage space, RAM limit, that's the one. So I set it to 60%. And that should be enough. And let's see what it does here. And well, perhaps we just also going to connect the charger. That's the one. Turn screen off to continue computing. Well, it's not making it easy. Oh, let's see. Let's try to start it again. It doesn't pick up the preferences for some silly reason. Let's see. Now it says view course. No, you should not pause the computation when the screen is on. Ah, that did the trick. Now it's benchmarking. Well, I hope that doesn't take too long. But it is a bit weird that it still showed the old message about the memory when the memory was no longer a problem and it was only that you had to set the flag. Okay, so now it says nothing to do, waiting for tasks. That's interesting. That warning message is still there. But it is at least trying to do some stuff. It already did the benchmark. So I'll pause the video here and I'll come back when it has received a task. So when I take a look at the tasks, I see that there are 2 tasks assigned. And one of them is specifically for COVID-19. The other one is perhaps more generic, but it could also be related, or it can also help or assist in analyzing COVID-19, or perhaps not at all, who knows. I'm not a scientist. And they're both with the status waiting for download. So let's see what happens when I say suspend and resume. Well, just to be sure if there's anything left in the battery level. Battery's full. Oops, no, that's not it. No, I don't know. Oops. Okay, let's give it some more time. Well, the downloads are complete. It looks like it's only running on one core, so the top task, that one is running. So after 1 minute, or slightly less than 1 minute, we're 0.2% finished. So we still have 99.8% to go. Well, the good part is that at least it is working. I'm not really sure why it's only running on one core, where I selected two. And that might have to do with the settings with the manager on the website, and I'm not really sure why that is. But again, I'm happy that it's working. So that's it for today. And as I said at the start, this is the last device that I'm going to test with Rosetta at home to analyze COVID-19. So I hope you're all healthy, safe, and for the time being, I think in most countries it also is, try to stay home for as much as possible until it is safer to go outside. And as always, I hope to see you again in my next video.